A massive wave of foreclosures are coming. Well, that's what the headlines are saying. Here is some more infuriating news because this is causing the everyday consumer from purchasing while investors jump in and pick up some great deals out there and then eventually turn them into rentals. People have been saying this for over a year, that Phoenix Metro will be seeing a massive surge of foreclosures comparable to 2008. At some point, these headlines will have to go away because the data is not supporting these reports. Hi, I'm Nicole Lorg at eXp Realty. Let's dive into the data. Take a look at this graph. At the end of the graph, which is our current year, 2023, the bars are pretty low compared to where we were at in the high foreclosure years of 2008 to 2010. If you look at the section in yellow, foreclosures were nearly zero, non-existent. We had forbearance through the COVID years. The lowest foreclosures we saw during that span was 61 foreclosures in August of 2020. Once they lifted that forbearance, we saw a little bit of an increase, and right here is where much of the news is coming from. So they are saying from a low of 61 foreclosures in August of 2020 to a high of 427 foreclosures, which is in March of 2022, they are claiming this span is the surge. I guess it's pretty easy to have a big percent increase when you are coming from nearly nothing. Now, how come the mortgage and real estate experts aren't anticipating these foreclosure numbers to increase? Well, lending practices are stricter, and because people have very affordable mortgages due to low interest rates when they purchase them or refinance them in the last 2 years. I mean, these homeowners have cheap loans. We're talking 2.5% to 3.5% interest rates. Even 4% is fantastic. So the risk of huge foreclosure numbers is not high because homeowners can still sell and make a great profit while still paying off their mortgage. Again, be cautious when you see headlines in your newsfeed. It's always best to go to your local market expert who is diving into this information daily and is out there in the field and knows what the market is doing. Again, I'm Nicole Lorg with eXp Realty, and follow for more Arizona real estate tips and more.